Modern diesel engines are fitted with a diesel particulate filter, DPF for short. Diesel particulate filters filter the soot particles released during the combustion process in a truck engine. In practice, these new technologies often result in new problems, warnings and faults. A diesel particulate filter is fitted as closely as possible to the engine in the exhaust system. When the exhaust gases flow through the diesel particulate filter, the soot particles are trapped, while the other elements of the exhaust gas are emitted through the porous walls of the filter. The soot particles collect in the filter, and the collected particles must be burnt to keep the filter clean. This combustion process is also known as regeneration. A temperature of approximately 600 degrees C is required to ensure effective combustion, which is often only achieved under extremely high engine load. During short journeys or city centre driving, the temperature does not reach any higher than 400 degrees C. As a result, the filter remains full, and the electronics try to regenerate. This increases fuel consumption, and moreover, the functioning of the diesel particulate filter suffers. It can be the case that the blocked filter reduces engine power or causes damage to the engine. If the DPF is blocked, the DPF warning light comes on. What is the solution? Simply add 1 litre per 170 litres of diesel to your fuel tank, which not only prevents any potential problems. Unlike other products, the JLM DPF cleaner is formulated with a high concentration of the active ingredients cerium and platinum. The platinum and cerium lower the ignition temperature of the soot, making this both a preventative solution and a very effective and easy-to-use problem solver. Please note that the use of JLM DPF cleaner is a lot more cost-effective than removing or replacing the DPF, as there is no downtime for the truck. No need to remove or replace the DPF. No downtime for the truck. Just pour and go. The JLM Diesel DPF Cleaner Heavy Duty is suited for all heavy-duty equipment. Check out our full product range. For more information, please visit www.jlmlubricants.com.